नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी लोग का सोनू स्टडी क्लासेस यूट्यूब चैनल। दोस्तों मैं आप लोगों को एनसीईआरटी बुक क्लास 9 इंग्लिश चैप्टर 8 ए हॉर्स इन नॉट ए होम क्वेश्चन आंसर मैं आप लोगों को इस वीडियो में बताऊंगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट डज द ऑथर नोटिस ऑन संडे आफ्टरनून? व्हाट इज हिज मदर रिएक्शन? व्हाट डज शी डू? आंसर नंबर 1, वन Sunday afternoon, the author noticed a strange smell. Suddenly, he saw smoke coming in from the ceiling and occupying the room very quickly. The vision became hazy, and they could hardly see anything. By the time they ran out into the front yard, the roof was already in flames, and fire was spreading very quickly. His mother ran back into the hour, back into the house to bring a small metal box full of important documents. She wanted to bring out important things from the house one by one. She was in a crazy state. Question number 2, why does he break down in tears after the fire? Answer number 2, the feeling of suffering, a major loss, broke him down into tears. He soon realized that his cat was not to be seen anywhere. Then he had flashback of everything at once: the new school, the fire, and his cat. That was when he broke down and cried. Question number 3, why is the author deeply embarrassed the next day in school? Which word show his fear and insecurity? Answer number 3, the author is deeply embarrassed the next day in school because he was still wearing the same dress that he wore to church in the morning, and he had no swear as he had lost them in the fire. He had to borrow some tennis shoes from his the clothes he was wearing. Looked where he had no books or homework, and even his backpack was gone. Word used in the lesson that show his fear and insecurity are outcast and geek like a zombie wanted to curl up and do in everything felt several. All the security had all been repaired. Why? Question number 4, the cat and the other are very fond of each other. How has his been sung in the story? Where was the cat after the fire? Who bring it back and how? Answer number 4, the author had great affection towards his cat. He cried inconsolably when he could not find his cat after the fire. He would regularly go to the side of his house in the hope of finding the cat. He remembered how the cat would crawl into his pocket and fall asleep and missed her terribly. Her in she located the author number of the cat's collar. However, she could not reach them as the phone had been disconnected because of the fire. The woman they made personal effort, effort to find the author and returned back the cat. Question number 5. What action of the schoolmates change the others' understanding of life and people and comfort him emotionally? How does his loneliness vanish and how does he start participating in life? Answer number 5. The school metal were generally concerned for the other. In spite of not knowing him well, they helped him by collecting supplier book and clothes. He started making new friends and also went to hear horse. He realized that people around him were good and supporting. He was overwhelmed by their love and cooperation. The feeling of fear and insecurity dissipated, and confidence took over everything. Seemed all right now. Question number 6. What is the meaning of my cat was back and so was I had the other gone anywhere? Why does he say that he is also back? Answer number 6. Here the other wants to point out that his ideology of life has gone a complete change. His school metal have helped him with their open hearts. They have extended invitation for their hours. Their genuine concern makes the other touch his heart so much that he breathes a sigh of relief. He feels that the things will be okay very soon. After a month, woman come with a cat. The narrator grabbed and hugged her. His friends were hugging the narrator. This overwhelming feeling of loss and tragedy seemed to diminish. He was deeply obliged to the stranger who had brought his cat. He would not help say that he was back to his original self. In reality, he had gone nowhere but had become executed with life due to colossal loss. He felt that he had returned to his original self like the cat who come to his hours. अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें और नेक्स्ट वीडियो के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।